friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Drive. Now, first thing, in order to create a Google Drive, you need to head over to the main website, which is Google. And yeah, once you're at Google, you need to go ahead and click sign in the upper right hand side. So if you click on sign in, you'll have this page here where you need to enter your email address. Now, if you don't have an email address, then you want to create an account with Google. So just simply click create an account, and you can choose for whichever option for your child, for your work, or you can do personal. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll click on personal. And here you want to enter the name. So let's say I'm going to call this one Dave, for example, and I'm going to leave the last name optional. So let's click on next, and you want to enter something. So I'm going to choose 12 day, and I'm gonna choose January, and I'm gonna say, let's put it 1950 as a birth year. Gender, you can choose whatever. Let's choose male, or let's choose male, right? And then click on next. Now here you want to choose create a Google address. You can also use your email address if you have one, but let's create a Google address or a Gmail address. So let's select that, then click on next. And here you have some email address options. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna just choose one, right? So I'm gonna just select this one here, right? I'm gonna copy this so that I can remember it, even though it's very easy afterwards. Then click on next. And here you want to enter the password. So I'm gonna make up a password here. Go ahead and click on next. Then you can choose if you want to enter a recovery email. You can skip that for now. Phone number, you can skip that. If you want to add your phone number, you can, but I'm going to skip that for now. And here is the email address. So go ahead and click on next. Choose express or manual. Let's use express for now. Go ahead, scroll down, click on accept, click on confirm, and click on agree. Now, once you do that, guys, you have a new Google account, and from here, you now also have access to all Google applications, including the Google Drive. So if you're looking for how to create Google Drive, this is the step. Just create a Google account. Now, in order to access the Google Drive that you've created, just simply click the Google Apps here, and you will find Google Drive in the list. You might need to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, it is showing here. So click on Google Drive, and once you open that, you have Google Drive. Here it says welcome to Drive. Yeah, and from here you can simply go ahead and learn more about the Drive, or you can create folders. If you go to my Drive, you can go ahead and you can create new folders. You can right click, you can create folders. I'm going to create this one and call it test here, and from here you can simply go ahead and add files and folders here within it. So I believe I have a test folder file here, so I'm going to open up, go to this PC, and here I have a test file. So I can even drag this file here. As you see, I drag this file from my computer, and I will upload it directly onto Google Drive. As you can see, it's uploaded, and here's my new file. And I can go ahead and I can add files to this folder, and I can create multiple files, multiple folders, and I can upload them, and I can share them on Google Drive with others. Now you can see right here how much space do you have. 15 gig used. So you can always upload files and you can maximize on your 15 gig. Keep in mind that this 15 gig that you have, it also uses with your email account. So it will be, so based on the amount of emails that you have or photos that you have, it works for photos, it works for Google Drive as well. So you can manage that. And if any point in time you want to upgrade, you can simply click get more, and you can head over to Google One and choose a plan. You can choose from multiple plans, and you can easily upgrade and get a massive discount as well while you're upgrading. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and create a Google Drive. Very easy and very simple.